Right, everybody, welcome back to the food segment. And as you see me doing, guys, I've been preparing sushi. I've been trying to do my best. I have done a few times. Now, a lot of people will be turning around saying, "What is this guy doing? He can't do sushi like that." Yes and no. I've been doing traditional sushi, like the California rolls, and also some with some shrimp and crab and some smoked salmon. But I've also been doing a little bit of a twist. I've done some with I call it the pizza sushi. I made a fruit sushi, and I made a dessert sushi. So I have been preparing food the most traditional, or most what is mostly used. Of course, it is the seaweed sheets. You can buy that at any grocery store nearby. I also I can show you, I'll explain the rice. Oh, the rice is one of the most important. So you can buy some rice. So once it is cooked and boiled, what you do is you take it out as soon as it's finished to cooking, and then you add some, um, sorry, whew, need some air. Once the sushi is cooked, you take it out, whisk it around a little bit, add some rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt into the rice vinegar. You mix it and you add it to your rice, and then that way it makes it sticky, and it makes all with the rice vinegar. It makes it a little bit more sweeter. Still has a little bitter taste. You got the sugary taste with the sugar and the salty taste with that. So that's one little trick that you can use for your rice. Now I will. Now my hands are all sticky. Okay. I will tilt down
Sticky
the
rice,
camera.
sticky rice.
Sticky rice. So I will tilt down the camera and I will cut the last sushi that I prepared. The last sushi that I made has, can you see now? We're good here.
Yeah, it looks amazing,
Perfect.
actually.
So the last sushi that I did here, I put some shrimp, some whipped cream. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me start again. Jeez. All right. So on the last sushi I just made, I got the seaweed, the rice, some whipped cream, some shrimp, cucumber, carrots, and mango. And on top of it, I put some smoked um, salmon and a little bit of garnish of onions. Now you do have to make sure there's a sharp knife. Um, you just take your time and crush it here. So the first one usually
Mm.
is not the best one. Usually that's reserved for the chef. And then you got the other cuts that you're gonna do. Look at that. And as you can see here, as I made, so this one here has more of the traditional with some shrimp. This one here has a California roll, which is crab meat that you can buy at the grocery store. It's not the real, it's the stringy stuff, but it is good. You got the avocado, you got the cucumber, and then here is the pizza sushi. It's a little different, but it is kind of cool. It's good. It's kind of an introduction. So I've put red peppers, some pepperoni, mozzarella balls, some mozzarella, fresh mozzarella balls, and then I've put the roll it up, and it's pretty good. I also made a dessert sushi. I call it the fruit sushi. Sorry, this one's a fruit sushi. So I have green apples, mango, orange, and some with Philadelphia whipped cream cheese. Now the last one that I have made was my first one. It is messy. It's so good. So this one here, oh, it's like it's leaking everywhere, but it's so good.
Is that the
So it's
Nutella one?
that is correct, Ace. That's the Nutella. So same thing, rice, seaweed. I put Nutella. I put banana. I put some raspberries, mango. Roll it up. It's messy. It's sticky. It's sometimes a little bit liquidy, but it's it is so good. It's so good. You got to work from one side to the other, so you got all your tastes and stuff. And that's the thing about sushi. It has all those colors. Your black, your white, your red. You have the taste, the sweet, the sour. You can do with the dip of course, the soya sauce. I have a wasabi oily um mayo mix here that you can buy. You so can also do a
Oh.
chipotle mayo. You mix it up
Mm.
so you can try, of course, the Nutella one and the dessert one leave it as is, unless you have like a nice raspberry dip. You can use that with the fruits, but anything else of that, this is so good. It's great, good bites, and this will feed 2 people, 3 people, and I love sushi. Who doesn't love sushi?
I
Look
sure
at
love
that.
me some sushi. Well done, babe.
Look at that.
That looks so good.
Really?
It's very simple. You just make it. What I've used, I don't have the traditional bamboo thingy, so I have one of my old table napkin table thing. It's kind of plasticky, but it's easy to wash. It's just throw it in the dishwasher if you want, or run it through the water, and it's solid enough to roll it. And you don't need the bamboo one. You can use pretty much what you want.
That's innovative. I love that.